Hi guys, today I'm going to be trying out the new Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealers. They actually just came out with these. I wanted to do a separate video because I just wanted to kind of talk about it a little bit more rather than in one of my other videos, just because this was so, I don't know, it was kind of so appealing to me just because it said it was self-setting and there was no powder required. And for me personally, concealer is probably one of the most important makeup products for me just because my under eyes are such a big problem area for me. So when new concealers come out, I'm always really excited, both excited and hesitant. This is not sponsored, by the way. This concealer, there are actually 22 different shades available. It is medium with buildable coverage. It's self-setting, so it says there's no powder required. And it also says it instantly brightens and smooths skin. It's crease-free and a natural finish. So I am actually the shade 21. And the applicator looks like that, which I am not mad at all. It has a really smooth and creamy feel to it. So I do really like the applicator that it comes with. And this concealer is $28. I think I pretty much said everything that it does. I'm gonna stop talking and show you guys how it worked for me. But I wanted to show you, this is the PR package that it did come in, and I wanted to just show you guys this real quick of all the different shade ranges that they have. So I have 3 of them right here. I have number 20, number 21, and number 45. For 45, I'm going to try to warm up the perimeter of my face with this. We'll see how they work. I don't know. And I think I'm going to try 21. I think 21 is actually going to be a perfect match. So that's the one I'm going to try. To be honest, I'm a little freaked out about this. I think I'm actually going to do one side first because I have a feeling that it's going to dry fast just because of the self-setting. I don't know, I'm just assuming, but we'll see. So I'm going to do one eye first. Plus, I'm nervous too because I like a really full, oh, I'm not going to use that one. I like a really full coverage. Oh, I'm nervous. Concealer, and this says it's medium coverage, but it's buildable, so I don't know. You know what? I think I'm going to do the other side different. This kind of freaks me out because setting your makeup no matter where on your face, I feel is a very important step, especially for me under my eyes. I will crease. Like, even with the best concealer, I will crease, so this is kind of, I don't know. I feel like it didn't cover as much as my other one does, so I'm going to add a little bit more. And I think I should add it now before it dries. I feel like it's not giving me enough coverage, the coverage that I would with my normal concealer. So it goes on really nice and it feels really good. It looks like skin. It really looks good up close, but it's not giving me the coverage that I want. I do not feel good about not setting this. I just know it's gonna crease. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to leave this eye without setting it with powder, and I'm gonna do this eye and I'm gonna try setting it with powder. Since it's self-setting, I hope it doesn't get super cakey, but I feel so weird not setting it. So I'm gonna try to leave this eye the way it is, just let it set on its own. I don't know if you can see, like, it's creasing so much already. I mean, it's creasing just like if I didn't set it, like any normal concealer would. So there ain't no way that, I mean, I'll leave it like this until I'm finished with the rest of my makeup, but yeah, it's creasing. So I definitely wouldn't leave it to set by itself. I would apply a powder because this one seems to be doing okay so far, but this one is creasing. And also I noticed that, and I kind of noticed that some of it kind of seems to have disappeared a little bit, I guess. It's just not as covered as it was when I first put it on. I don't know, maybe that could be from some fallout on my shadows. I don't know, but, and I don't really like the way it looks not set. I mean, for me anyways, I think I would set it just to be safe, just to make myself feel better. It's only been like an hour since I've had it on, but I mean, it hasn't creased anymore. So overall, I really do like the concealer. I really love the formula. I mean, it looks beautiful on the skin. It blends so good, and it just, like it said, it has a really natural finish. It looks like your skin. It looks really, really, really good on your skin. I feel like if you're somebody that really doesn't need a lot under your eyes, you will probably really, really like this. As far as the self-setting part goes, that part really didn't work for me, which to me isn't really a huge deal to begin with because I'm so used to setting my under eyes anyways. I think I would wear it like on an everyday basis when I'm doing a really natural look and I just want some coverage underneath my eyes. I think this would work really good. Especially I did like it to kind of contour or like warm up my face with a darker shade. So I really liked that too. So if any of you guys do try this out, please let me know if it works for you. And yeah, thanks for watching.